So today we have some inquiry about the contour sheet files, how to import the contour sheet file to OpenRoad Designer and create terrain. So in MicroStation React I and Connect, we can open the sheet files. So the sheet file is not only one file, it has a series of corresponding files, and the most important is that this DBF, which is a database. So if you open the contour sheet files in OpenRoad Designer, you will find that. So the file will open as read only, and then you will find that if you open here, you can change you will see the files can be opened by open rows but read only, and then the contours here will be go to the zeros. However, if you check the information here, because of the shapefile got a database here, so it can show that the elevation here is 7s. One important thing is here, while you get a 7, you need to make sure this elevation is a kind of attribute and it is a number, not the text is a 7 something. So how can we fix it, and how can we use it as a terrain? If now we save as a DGN, it cannot be terrain because it is only in a zeros level. So the terrain will also go to the zeros here. So in this case, we need to do some configuration for your OpenRoad Designer. So if you go back to the communities.bandit.com, you will see that there's about how to import the set value from the shape files. There's a variable here, so make sure this variable is correct and it is case sensitive with the elevation field here. So go back to the OpenRoad Designer, so you can go to setting, and then you can go to the configuration and add the configuration variable here. So I just click new and paste the elevation here. So make sure the elevation will be the value here. So I just simply control here. Make sure it's an elevation and click OK. And after you make sure you save. And then you need to turn off the OpenRoad Designer and reopen the shapefile again. So now I can reopen the OpenRoad Designer after setting configuration and open the shapefiles again. So now we open it, because the setting, you will see it will becomes the elevation will propagate it to the terrain here, to the contour line here. So now it is not only about the line with the attribute, but also with the elevation here as well. So it is how it works to the shape files. So after we have, because it is read only, so you can just simply save as a DGN. So in this case, I can just simply save to DGN here. I just click save. So after you go back to the DGN, then you can use it, it becomes a line. But one more thing here, you need to very careful to check one more times here, because sometimes the shapefile imported it become a shape. It's become a cell. So what you need to do, maybe you need to select all the cell and drop once become a line string. So I just simply using a cell here, select the cell that here, and then I will just go to the drop function here. If you see the drop elements, and just a drop to the style to the geometry or complex to on, click it. So everything becomes a line string. Then you can easily to use a graph filters or just select everything, and then click open roster create a ring from elements. And then you can check the contour, accept it. So now you can become terrain models here. So you get the terrain models, and then you can get using other things. So you can simply select it and then change it here to, like, for example, the maximum triangling, so that you can create a terrain like what you have, and then you can have the contours. You can have a triangle off. So it is all coming back with the terrain models here now. Is how you import the shape files into OpenRoad and create terrain models.